How you doing today, class?
Good.
Today we'll be learning two-step equations. Now, the first thing that you want to know about two-step equations is that it takes 2 steps to solve the problem. It's that easy. Now, the next thing that you want to know is you have operators. Now, operators are your addition signs, subtraction, multiplication, and your division signs. Next thing you have are variables. Variables are like letters that are used in problems. The most common variable that is used is x. Now let's start. You have 5n plus 5 equals 20. Now what you want to do is, in two-step equations, you always want the variable to be on one side, because at the end of the equation, the n is going to equal a certain number. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to subtract the 5 from this side so you can subtract on that side. So you subtract the 5, which is going to cancel out because the positive 5 minus 5 equals 0. Now you write that out again, 5n, and now subtract the 5, and this right here is going to come down 15, bring it down, and your problem is going to equal 5n equals 15. Now the next thing you want to do is, the n is still not on the side by itself. You want to divide the 5, which is going to cancel out. And what you do on that side, you must do on this side. And now you have n. You simplify that. 15 divided by 5 is going to equal 3. And that's how you solve a two-step equation. Now I'm going to do some other problems for you so you guys can get comfortable. Then I'm going to ask you guys to participate in class. Alright, the next problem you have is 1 minus 4a equals 21. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to subtract 1 from the 21 as well. Cross this out because it's now a 0, and now you have negative 4a. The reason why you have negative 4a is because it was 1 minus 4a, and if it has a subtraction sign in front of it, that means it's a negative. So now you bring down, you simplify this, which is 20, and you bring it down. Now it's negative 4a equals 20. Now what you must do is you must divide the negative 4a to cancel out, so you have the variable by itself, and then that's, you subtract negative 4a from 20. Now we all know that when you divide a negative number from a positive number, it's always going to equal a negative number. So that's going to be negative 5.
Okay.
Alright, the next problem is going to be for you, Mr. Troy. You're going to have negative m minus 4 equals negative 4. Now what's the first thing that I should do for this problem right here?
Like you said, I think I want to go ahead and add 4 to both sides, so I can cancel out that negative 4 on the left hand. So I think it would be like negative m plus 4 would be negative m equals negative 8.
Alright, y'all. I made this little jingle so you guys can remember how to solve a two-step equation. I want everybody to go like this. First, you write it out, then subtract the 5 from both sides. That equals a 0. That equals 15. Now, you write it out. 5n equals 15. Divide the 5 now. Divide the 5 now. N equals 3. Equals a 3. Now you solve the two-step equation.